Let's see how can you sign up for an account first. Go to chat.openai.com. I will leave a link in the description of this video to this site. It's possible to see a screen that says ChatGPT is at capacity right now. This means that a huge number of people are using ChatGPT right now, but don't be discouraged. Hit the refresh button until you see a sign up login screen. Then sign up with your email address or with your Google or Microsoft account. Then check the I'm not a robot box, resolve the CAPTCHA if required, and press continue. Choose a password and then verify your email. Enter your name. Then verify your phone number. Enter the verification code that you received through SMS. And that's all. Right after you log in, you see these pop-up messages and a dashboard. You have the new chat option in the upper left corner. This means that you can have as many chats as you want. As you can see here, I have a chat for YouTube scripts, one for design questions since I'm a graphic designer, a chat for grammar correction, and so on. But if you want, you can have all your conversations in one chat. This new chat option is for categorization, and the ChatGPT answers will take into account the previous answers. For example, if I write a sentence in the grammar correction chat, it will check if that phrase is grammatically correct because that was what I asked to do before. So keep in mind this aspect. You also have the option of clear conversations if you want to delete all your conversations. You have the dark mode, light mode option, OpenAI on Discord, updates and FAQ, and the logout option. In the center of the screen you have some examples of how can you use ChatGPT, some of its capabilities and also some of its limitations. And you also have the command bar at the bottom of the screen. When providing input text to the ChatGPT model, you will typically use a prompt or a starting sentence that serves as the basis for the model's output. The prompt or starting sentence can be any text that you want the model to generate more of, such as a question, a statement, a story, or something else. For example, if you want to generate a story, you could provide a prompt such as "Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a young prince." This prompt would serve as the starting point for the model's output, and the model would generate a continuation of the story based on this prompt. Or you can write, "Tell me a fascinating story about money from a book." You can be as specific as you want to be, and ChatGPT will try its best to provide an accurate answer. If you want to generate an answer to a question, you could provide a prompt such as "What is the capital of France?" and the model would generate an answer based on that. You can also use the API to fine-tune the model to suit your specific use case. For example, If you want to generate text in a specific style, or if you want the model to focus on a specific topic. For example, it can generate a YouTube video script in the style of Yes Theory. Example: generate me a YouTube video script about meditation in the style of Yes Theory YouTuber. It's important to note that providing a good input text is critical to generate a meaningful output. This is why it's important to understand the model's capabilities and limitations and to structure the input accordingly. Here are some more examples of prompts that you can use with ChatGPT. What is 2 plus 2? Generate a news article. Generate a dialogue. Generate a question and answer. Generate song lyrics. Generate a cover letter for a graphic designer. These examples are just a small sample of the types of prompts you can use with ChatGPT. The possibilities are endless, and you can use any type of text that you like as a prompt to generate more text based on it. One more thing I want to tell you is that consider ChatGPT as your smart friend with an elephant memory, and talk to it accordingly. Be sure to check another video of mine where I asked ChatGPT some interesting questions.